What the heck are dino ribs? So if you've ever wanted to cook ribs so massive that they'd basically make a T-Rex jealous, you should stick around because today I'm diving right into what dino ribs are. And just so you know, if you want to throw one of the most epic cuts of meat you'll ever throw on the grill, dino ribs are it. I got these in Texas. You can more regularly find them all over. Dino ribs are the king of beef ribs. These bad boys come from the plate or rib section of the cow. They're really large bones with a hearty amount of meat left on them. And it's perfect for a true carnivore feast, all right? So you want to select the right ribs, look for ribs with plenty of marbling. The fat is going to render down and give you unbeatable flavor, although you do see I trimmed some of that fat cap off to let my seasoning soak in because seasoning these is super crucial. I use any sort of barbecue rub with a little binder. You could use mustard or olive oil. And now let's talk about the smoker. I prefer to smoke these because I like to do it low and slow. They really take about 7 hours in total. You can pick up my favorite recipe for smoking these at SipBiteGo.com, but basically I smoke them without anything. Then I take them off the smoker after 4 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. I pour in some beef broth mixed with barbecue sauce to help tenderize them, and you could put them in a foil pan, but I like to wrap them in butcher paper, pop them back on the smoker for about 90 minutes, and then they should be done to a temp at 202 degrees Fahrenheit. And I know that this feels like it's going on forever, but at least they don't take as long to smoke as something like brisket. So you just want to pop them in a cooler for about an hour to let them continue tenderizing, and look at how good they are. They freaking fall off the bone. You're going to watch some bone poppin' action right here. Don't forget to pick up my free barbecue ebook to help you grill, griddle, and smoke food better this summer at SipBiteGo.com. Cheers!